Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is "Here's Why You Shouldn't Hold a Grudge for 6 years." Wow, 6 years? That's a long. Is it a long time? Yeah, but to hold a grudge, nah. Shit, depends on what happened. Grudges can last a lifetime, man. But anyways, let's get into it. Man, I know y'all don't want to hear what I got to say.
How's it going, man?
Good, how are you?
Can we help you out?
What are you doing up here, man?
I'm trying to get you guys to pay for what you've robbed me of.
No.
Yeah, I'm not going to leave here without you guys paying for what you've robbed me of.
Every time, man.
Well, like I said, what was your name? Dearmore?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're trying to tell me if someone robbed you of your vehicle and your driver's license?
Who did that, Ricky? Is it Ricky?
Yes, my name is Ricky. Okay, I'm going to need your police department to pay for what you guys have robbed me of.
No.
Yeah, I can't pay you $100 for something that you've robbed me of.
No.
Yeah, you're going to have to pay up, buddy.
Okay, well, you're going to have to leave.
No, I'm not going to leave.
You're going to leave or you're going to go to jail?
I ain't going to go to jail. Do I need to hire an attorney or a lawyer and sue this place?
Do you want to go to jail today?
I'm not going to go to jail. You can't touch me.
Leave the property.
No. Get the chief of police out here.
No.
I've been involved in a traffic accident that I've been robbed of my vehicle, my driver's license.
Did the vehicle get towed?
Yes, and it's your guys' responsibility to pay for that.
It's not. You wrecked the car, Ricky.
You parked the uninsured vehicle on the road?
No, because it's not my vehicle.
Well, somebody's going to have to pay for that. I'm not responsible.
We're not.
Yeah, you are.
No.
Yes, you are.
No.
It's just like a pit maneuver. I can pay you to murder people. I can pay you to shoot people. I can pay you to do pit maneuvers, but you guys don't want to pay the innocent people that you guys have done wrong to. And you know it for a fact.
What did we do?
What did you do?
Yeah.
You just heard what I said. You guys need to pay me for what you've had wrongfully taken from me.
Because I don't understand what you're saying happened.
I've been in a vehicle accident, okay, from an uninsured vehicle.
When did that happen?
It's been 6 years ago. I've been without because of them being paid. They can help me pay for what they've wrongfully robbed me of.
So this accident happened 6 years ago?
Yes, with an uninsured vehicle. I was insured. I was rightfully on the road.
Okay, so...
I'm going to need them to help pay for what they've wrongfully taken from me.
So
there's no reason you guys should be expecting me to live without a driver's license in a vehicle because of something I've had wrongfully done to me.
Well, let me explain this to you, Ricky. If there was an uninsured vehicle...
You're being paid, aren't you?
If it
wasn't... Let her talk.
If it was...
Let her talk.
I'm talking to you.
Let her talk.
I'm talking to you. You trying to fight me?
Let her talk. Why would I fight you?
Well,
Ricky,
like I said,
Ricky.
I'm talking to you.
That wouldn't end good.
Are you being paid?
Ricky.
Okay then.
Ricky.
There's no reason you guys can't pay for the wrong that you guys do to innocent people.
Ricky.
That I'm fighting robbery.
Ricky.
Listen to her.
What?
Okay, we're talking about an accident that happened 6 years ago with an uninsured motorist, okay?
Yes.
Explain this to me, how does the uninsured motorist have anything to do with us?
Well, somebody's got to help me get my rightful belongings back. I can't pay you $100 to reinstate my license. That's robbery.
You wouldn't be paying us.
Yes, that's what you expect me to do.
You're paying the DMV and you're paying the court.
Well, I'm not going to pay you anything when you guys are wrong and you're guilty in the cause. You're trying to rob me of my vehicle, my driver's license, and now you're expecting me to pay you $100?
Who wrecked the car, Ricky?
Who parked the uninsured vehicle in the road?
Who wrecked the car?
Who parked the uninsured vehicle in the road? I didn't park nothing in the road. If there wouldn't have been an uninsured vehicle in the road, you guys come up with excuses all night and all day.
I do this every day, I know.
Yeah, exactly. You guys don't want to pay for all the wrong that you guys do you?
I'm not paying anything. We're not paying anything.
Well, then I'm going to stand right here until you do.
No.
Yeah.
Because you will go to jail.
I'm not going to go to jail. You robbed me of my vehicle, my driver's license, and you guys are entitled to pay for it.
Ricky, we're asking you to leave. We can't
I can't leave without my rightful belongings that I've had robbed from me.
Okay.
They can help me.
Come out here right in front of the lobby.
They can help me. They wrongfully robbed me of those things. It's their responsibility to pay for it. I'm not going to jail.
I'm an officer. We're not
I'm here for help, okay? They're being paid. They wrongfully take things from people. They can rightfully help me get my rightful belongings back.
I'm getting the supervisor, and he'll explain to you what's going to happen from here.
Okay. Well, I'll get an attorney and a lawyer, and you guys will pay.
Will you listen to me for a second, Ricky? Just listen, okay?
What?
You don't pay the money to them. You don't pay the money to the police department. That money goes straight to the DMV. We don't see a dime of it.
Well, like I said, if I've been robbed of things that I should have, So then I'm gonna need those
He's
things
about to
back.
go to jail, but I'm looking to explain to you first. He won't leave until we pay
I
him,
have to
okay?
have my vehicle and my driver's license back that you guys have wrongfully taken from me. It wasn't a pit
6 years
maneuver.
ago.
It wasn't nothing like that.
I'm curious to find out what they would arrest him for, just because he's at the police department, which I'm pretty sure is public property. So I'm curious to see what they're actually going to lock him up for.
When does this happen?
It's been 6 years ago. I've been without because of you guys being paid, and you haven't done nothing to help me. You expect me to pay a reinstatement fee? That'd be me being robbed. I can't pay $100 with something I've been robbed of, dude. If you guys take driver's licenses away from people, you guys can help me get those things back.
Nope, that doesn't work that way.
If you're
Then how am I
suspended,
supposed to get those
if
things
you're
back?
suspended,
We take your driver's license. You can't legally possess that if you have a suspended driver's license.
It's been 6 years. That should be expunged. I should have my driver's license, and I
Well,
should have my vehicle.
Then you should have taken care of that within the 6 years.
I've paid everything. I don't owe no fines or nothing like that.
Well, then you have to go to the DMV to get that taken care of.
How am I supposed to pay $100 if I can't get to work? I have to have my driver's license and a vehicle to get to work to pay $100. You guys can help.
We're not going to help you get your license back. We're not going
Why
to give you
wouldn't
$100.
Why wouldn't you?
Don't work
You're-
that way.
I can pay you to murder people. I can pay you to shoot people. I can pay you to do pit maneuvers. I can pay you to do all types of wrong, but you don't want to help an innocent person that you guys have. You're expecting me to fight robbery.
He does this every time he comes up to the lobby.
You're getting me awful confused here.
Well,
What have I done?
I'm just simply asking for what you guys have wrongfully taken from me back. You
Wrong.
can help
That's
me.
a wrong answer. You can probably walk off the property now, or you'll probably go to jail. I
Oh.
mean, which way do you want it?
So you're trying to tell me I need to hire an attorney or a lawyer, and you guys are going to have to help me get my driver's license back, because this is over. It's me being wronged in a vehicle accident.
You've had 6 years
And I've paid everything. I can't pay $100.
to reinstate your driver's license. You've had 6 years to do that.
How am I
do you
supposed
smoke
to do that?
cigarettes?
Just a
That's
question.
irrelevant.
You
I
can-
don't have to answer
Okay,
that.
well, if you can afford to buy those, why can't you afford to go get your driver's license?
I can't get my driver's license without you guys helping me pay for what you've wrongfully taken from me.
It's not going to happen. You can, like I just said, you can walk off the property, or you can go to jail.
There's no reason I should be going to jail. So you're trying to tell me I need to hire an attorney or a lawyer to get you guys to help me get my rightful belongings back?
Go find your lawyer.
Go find a lawyer?
Yep.
Or an attorney, and what, we just do this over the phone then? There's no reason we should be fighting over you guys not helping me
You
get my
have to
rightful
do
belongings
it.
back.
You have to do it. We're not doing anything.
You're not going to help people
No.
get their rightful
No,
belongings
we're not.
back?
We're not helping because we don't have to.
Then why are you guys being paid? Why aren't you being arrested?
Go that way.
Go.
Off the
Go.
property.
Go.
When you have a viable complaint, come back up here. Till then,
Can I talk to your boss? Where's Eddie at? Eddie will help me get my rightful belongings back. Yes, he will.
go.
I'm not going nowhere. What do you want me to do?
You're going to jail.
Don't put
You're
your
going to
hands
jail.
on me. Quit. You guys, I'm not
Give me the other hand.
Porno, grab
Give me the
that
other
one.
hand.
I'm not even doing anything. I got
Should have left.
Grab that.
Our officer got injured.
Okay. Got it. I got it. Just calm down. Hold the sleeve up. There you go. Just breathe.
I'm not going to hurt you, officer. You know that. You
Stand up.
Also resisting arrest.
I think I broke my thumb.
Are you serious?
Or just pop it out of joint anyway.
We didn't see that ending well.
I was just trying to get my rightful belongings.
Yes, you gotta take me to the other side. You wanna walk with her?
I was just simply trying to get my rightful belongings back.
There you go.
Yep.
Ed, what do you think?
I'll text you.
Yeah.
Can you tell me what I'm under arrest for?
You're gonna stop talking is what you're gonna do.
They don't even know yet.
483P. Be out the jail. He hurt one of the other officers. I think he's kind of calmed down now. He came up to the police department wanting, talking nonsense. We told him to leave, and that's when. You gonna be calm?
Sir, I wasn't being disorderly or nothing.
Okay, well, we're here to help you. We'll just get you out. We're gonna go in here.
You don't have to worry about me hurting an officer. I have respect for you, and you guys should respect me.
In there. You're not gonna do nothing stupid, are you?
No, sir, you don't have to worry about that. Eddie knows me. You know I ain't gonna hurt him.
Ricky was charged with disorderly conduct and is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.